A couple of years ago, just for the kicks, we published a video on difficult IV access on NYSORA's YouTube channel. And I remember it just like it was today. We actually hesitated to release the video, and that is because our channel at the time was watched mostly by anesthesiologists. And why how to IV access video for anesthesiologists when we, the anesthesiologists, are uniquely trained to be experts at IVs? Besides, in an era of ultrasound, who really needs a traditional techniques to an IV, right? Wrong. With our surprise, we watched the difficult IV video hit nearly 2 million views. We then filmed another one, and then another one, and just watching the views of IV technique videos soar, we looked up what was available for education on the topic of IV, and we realized that nearly all books on IV access are mostly theoretical. And therefore, in response to our viewers' quest for better learning tool on difficult IV access, NYSORA just published a hands-on manual packed with real-world advice that textbooks just don't offer. The manual features over 400 real-life clinical pictures, images, illustrations, and step-by-step instructions. Plus, we added videos of IV techniques in difficult patients, accessible with a quick QR code that comes with the manual. The video features a range of little-known tricks I learned during the AIDS pandemic in patients in whom IV access was nearly impossible, such as reverse Esmarch, double tourniquet, triple tourniquet, bending IV catheters, and more. And while ultrasound guidance has been immensely helpful in securing an IV in patients with difficult IVs, nothing beats quick traditional IV access with a pair of experienced hands equipped with tips and tricks featured by the pros. This IV manual is not just an investment in your professional toolkit, it's a game changer for patient care. Get a copy for your colleagues and nurses today. I believe that everyone should see what we have created and have one at your clinic for generations to come. Greetings.